I'm having a horrible time trying to get this to load up onto YouTube. So what I'm going to need you to do here is watch both of the videos that I'm trying to load. Have handy the handout for students so that you can take notes, either copy and paste it into Word or see if you can enter it and upload it via Canvas. We're going to be talking about printmaking today. I need to define a couple words. The first word is print. It's a multiple copies of a single image. Defined as a single impression or an example of an image that has been transferred from pressure onto paper from a matrix, the surface upon which the design has been created. One more time. Defined as a single impression or example of an image that has been transferred through pressure onto the paper from a matrix. And the matrix is the surface upon which the design has been created. Addition is the multiple impressions made on paper from the same matrix. So a lot of times you'll see like 1 out of 20. That means there was 20 in the addition, and that was the first one. And a proof is a trial impression made before the final edition is ready for personal use. Okay, this print came from China, and I'm going to define two more words here, and I'm going to define the first two on the first slide because I can only keep this a certain amount of time. So proofs are a trial impression made before the final edition is run. Proof, to see if the artist might like it. The relief process refers to any printmaking process in which the image is to be printed is raised off the background in reverse. So an example would be wood cuts, most of the stuff that we're going to be looking at, and what you'll be doing is a relief. So refers to any printmaking process in which the image is to be printed is raised off the background in reverse. That is relief process. This print is from China. Its earliest known printed book of the Diamond Sutra. It is illustrated showing Buddha preaching to his followers. It was universally freely distributed, which is printed down at the bottom. Okay, so in this one, the Gettysburg, it's a page from the Gettysburg Bible. Between 1435 and 1455 in Germany, Gutenberg discovered a process by casting individual letters, forms, by using an alloy of lead and antimony, a luminous gray metalloid. It could be comprised into paper and printed on wooden standing presses using ink. The Bible is 42 line Bible. Name that because the columns of type contains 42 lines. Nelda, the artist here, does a print of the prophet. It's a relief print, and the carved away parts are the white parts. And so then the ink lays on the top part, and that's how you get his face. So this is a woodcut. Its design is drawn on the surface of the wood. The black and the parts that are to be drawn white are cut, usually with a knife or a chisel. It leaves that area that are to be black elevated. So the parts that are carved don't pick up the ink. So you're just putting the ink on the very top parts.